Welcome. In front of me is a Nord CE2 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here, where you get to select your desired language from the drop-down menu. From there, you can go to the next page, which is OnePlus's terms and conditions. Obviously, you can tap on the blue text to read it, and at the end of the day, you need to agree to it. This will then give us an option to insert a SIM card, and we can skip this. Next thing we'll have is Wi-Fi connection. Again, we can skip this. Now, if you choose to skip both of them, then date and time won't be set automatically, which you can see right here. And additionally, you won't see a Google login page throughout the setup process. Now, both of those things can be changed later on. Once you connect to network, you can go into the settings and fix it up. Now, when it comes down to date and time, all you will need to do is connect to network, and it will automatically set it up to be the correct time. Moving on to the next page, we have Google services. So we have services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Location is just a GPS tracking for your device, so apps like Google Maps can function properly. Scanning allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and then send user and diagnostic data allows Google to spy on you. From there, we can go to the next page, which is Co-Creator Labs, whatever that is. You can just tap on each one of those and read exactly what these are, and if you want to select agree. If you don't care for it, you can skip it. Then we have unlocking method, so we can here set up some kind of protection to our device. Lock screen as in PIN, pattern or password, face recognition, and fingerprint. If you want to protect your device, you'll do it from here, and you can set it up however you want. Additionally, if you don't want to set up anything, you can skip this. Then we have font and display size, so here we can set up the type of font that you want to use. We have choice from two of them that come preloaded with the device, and then we have font size and display size, so you can adjust them to your liking. From there we can go to the next page, where we get to select our navigation style. So we have the gesture navigation, which is selected by default, so if you want to utilize that, all you need to do is select next. But if you prefer the 3-button gesture or 3-button navigation with the back, home, and recent buttons all separate, then you just tap on this one and then again select next. I have recommended auto update overnight. If you want your device to update overnight, check this on. If you don't, keep it off. And here we have setup complete, so let's select start and be greeted by the home screen. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.